95% of the students in the class have taken ethics, 80% have taken communication skills, 84% have chosen business laws, 90% have chosen public policy. What is the maximum minimum percentage of people who have chosen all of them? Okay, rather than forming a four complicated set, बना लेता हूँ फिर भी. I think we have already discussed how to form a set of four. We discussed it in the set theory class. It is already given that ethics, 95% of the students have taken it. What is the maximum and the minimum percent of the people who have chosen all of the four? 5% of them have not chosen ethics. The people who have not chosen communication skills, I'll say 20% of them haven't chosen communication skills. The business laws, 16% of them have not taken it. The PP, public policy, how many of them have not taken it is 10%. So if I'm assuming all of them to be different, so the people who have not outside this. So if I'm saying none is common between them, my dear, then it comes out to be 51%. If the outer part is maximum, the inner part will be minimum. So minimum of that 100 minus 51, if the outer part is maximum, the minimum part is 49%. So I'll say from this only 49 is given here. Yes. Now, what could be the maximum value? Undoubtedly, it would be 80%. Anyone who is working with CS supposed to work in all the three departments. So, what I can say is, what is the maximum minimum percent who have chosen all of the four? Nowhere it is mentioned that it is mandatory for the people to choose all the subjects. So I'm saying the one who has chosen computer communication skills is 80%. There are 4% of the people who have chosen the business laws. Business law, they have not chosen CS. Now, there are all 84% of the people have chosen the that was CS, business laws. Now it is public policy. The first one was, ethics. This was communication skills. This is business law. And finally, it is coming out to be all, which is coming out to be kitna public policy, which is how much? 95%. 80% of them, it is already mentioned, is communication skills. Anyone who is choosing communication skill will be choosing. Every person needs to choose communication skills. After that, the next higher value is business law. I'll say business law is coming out to be 4% more. So there are 4% of the people who are not choosing the communication skills, and 80% of them who have chosen communication skills has also chosen the business law. Now 90% of the people are choosing the public policy. I'll say 84 is already given. There are 6% of the people who are not choosing communication skills or business law but have chosen only the PP. Now anyone who has chosen PP will be also choosing ethics. Yeah, there are 5% of the people who are choosing only ethics. There may be 5% of the people who are not choosing any one of them. Or what I can say is these 4% of the people are different. So I'll say 80% of the people are common in all these four. If you take out 4, so 95 plus 4 will come out to be 99. If you take out 1% out of this, I could also make it the summation of the value to be 100%. So what is the maximum value? Of course, it cannot be more than 80. So the maximum, anyone who is opting for communication skills will be also choosing something else. So the highest possible value of all these four subjects will come out to be kitna? 80.